Thursday, 0958, 09:59:03 seconds, year 2024, 8th month, August 15th day. So here's the trade. This here is the Canadian, pound Canadian. And it was a first red day trade that the brother ever entered with classical trading to learning the information mainly from Stacy Burke from Canada. And you can see the brother got in early and at the bottom, at the low of the day, that's the red line down there. The green line at top is the high of the day. And it got 3 pushes after major red news came out. That's this bar that came down. The bar that's the bar right there. Came all the way down. News. So retraced, and then the brother got in the trade right in here after it retraced. After the minute retracement, it hit the EMA, and it started coming down. That was a bounce. It's a bounce trade. The brother got in on the bounce. It went into a little bit of profit, then it started going up, then it came back down, and then it went for a long ride all the way up. And the brother's account got drawn down all the way up to $220. Those are the trades there. Put on an extra trade as it looked like it was dropping. When it got to here, the brother put on an extra trade. It started coming down, but then it reversed and went back up. Some more pips. So the brother kept moving the stop loss up and up and up, and watching the chart, realizing, all right, this is more than likely going to go to the high of day and reverse. And it was being monitored in correlation with the U.S. dollar, and it hit the high of day, and it turned, and then watching the U.S. dollar, and it hit it came down from underneath the low of day, and it's bouncing off the low of day. And here's what it looks like on the 4-hour, all the way out. The weekly, this is the euro US dollar. So, and then go to the pound. That's what the pound looks like on the weekly. The daily, it's in a triangle. It came out of the triangle, went back in, and came back out. And the 4-hour, there's a Elliott wave there with a failed 5, supposedly, unless it wants to bounce and go back up. But the trade is coming down fairly aggressively. It was just 15 minutes ago. Well, let's look at the time. Yeah, there. 30 minutes ago, it's hit it. 30 minutes ago, it started dropping down. Because there's a 30-minute bar coming down, then they got a new bar right there. Otherwise, some 5-minute bars. Now, this could just be a retracement, and it might want to go back up. So, anyway, so that's correlation reference. The brother was scoping the trade. So here it is again. Here's two 15-minute bars. It's come down. This is what the weekly looks like for this chart. You can see it's slammed up against the bottom, and it's kind of had a breakdown below a level here, a V bottom, and it might be wanting to go up, but it also might be bouncing against resistance too. So anyway, that's that. Go back to the trade. Now, while the trade came down for a little bit, and then the brother added extra to the trade. Once again, he added extra, these two trades right here, a 1 and a 4, and that's all the brother could put on too. He maxed it out. On the trade, when it started coming back, it's these bottom two trades here. The pound CAD at one lot, or one mini lot, and the pound CAD for one micro lot, or 4.04 micro lots at drawdown $4.32, drawdown $10.43 right now. And here's the OANDA right here, and the biggest trades are minus 38 pips right now, but it went all the way 50 pips, went to 51 pips, or 52 pips, 50, somewhere around there. Anyway, so but the margin level's at 99%. It's a 7% drawdown. The brother figured it out, because he's at around, it was $3,150 the brother started off with, and he just multiplied it times 7 to figure it would go up to about $220 is what popped up, to give the brother a quick estimate. But it actually went to 192 at one time, which is HJR 192. So that would be a sign from above, or beside, a sign from beside instead of above. Although, sometimes thinking things that God's in control from above instead of being equal with God, the girl energy. Anyway, so when brother put these two extra trades on right here, these two extra trades right here, the one mini lot and the 0.04 micro lots, the brother put those trades on. He went ahead and saw this and replaced the words up there. Equal claim. This is a proverb. He typed in the new stuff there, so this is what it all says. Thursday, August 15, 2024, 094806. And the time up above of the credentials is just around 20 minutes ago. And this was, like I say, this is the pound CAD Forex trade, drawdown $220, first red day. First red day, first time. It was a rush entry, 1%, learn daily. And that's from the Stacy Burke, Canada. And then U.S. retail news trade reversed in the Schubert room. And Jacksonville, Florida from Philippines. Cancer fruit, no doctor. So those are just extra notes right there that the brother added. So, otherwise, this is a proverb, and the brother rephrased it. And the brother replaced it, because underneath it, it can be brought down here. Underneath it, it says, claim it. Claim it. And underneath here, it says balance. Balance. So, balance means debt. So the brother changed the word, customize it. Get the dust off. The brother changed the word to customize it. Or, edit the Constitution. Edit the treaty. It's a forever treaty. Can always be edited. Anything in forever land is always has the capacity to be edited. And there's the brother. He's naked. Can't see the weenie though. Almost saw it. It's too dark to see it, but. And here's Boob the cat. And Boob the cat came up to the chin and nudged the chin up because she said the trade's going up. So. She's in connection with universal energy. She's always letting me know when trades are going up. She's always spot on too. Always spot on. And so getting that, strengthening the trust to keep on. Brother got up at 5:15 this morning. That's the usual trade hours. So this is all in combination with the astrology reports for August. And so for Capricorn. So those videos can be seen on YouTube to get up to date. But basically it said there's going to be a bunch of money coming in. It said be careful this month, there could be some danger. It said unexpected surprise, and it said brother's been expressing and going to new levels. Things are going to change from this day going forward. Mercury is retrograde, Saturn is retrograde. Mercury retrograde is a tough time, and it's Aquarius moon, and it's supposed to be strong energy. It's been strong energy. Brother has had extra revelations in the backyard, backstage audits, conversations, and those are all on YouTube video for this particular date. Just type them in. One could learn all the new information the brother learned. So let's go back to the chart. So the price has relaxed for the day. Now the thing is, is this thing still recording? Yeah, good. Brother plugged in the lightning bolt cable, and it's not supposed to be plugged in. When it was plugged in, a sign came up on the screen. It said can't record while the television's hooked up. So the brother needs to actually hook this thing up to electricity right now to continue the video. He's going to unplug the television cord, hook the regular cord up to the power line, and then now this is going to go in. So now it's just a matter of trust. As far as the trade goes. And here's the trade, Anchor Trade demo account. And then here's the trade on MT5 platform demo account. started off a $100,000 account, and it's fluctuated up and down. Most it's ever been up to is 120,000. So there's that. There's the trades. This is the euro US dollar there. Okay, there's the pound CAD. You can see it's starting to creep back up again. So it might want to go up and form a double top, or it just might want to keep going all the way up and hit the top of the day. However, it's correlating with the US dollar, euro US dollar, and the pound US dollar. And it's a pound pair, so the thing is that the pound yen is still kind of strong. It's wanting to stay up there a bit. So it just took off. And then silver's wanting to go up. So here's put it on the 4 hour for silver. It's kind of wanting to go up. And then here's gold. Gold's wanting to go all the way to the top. It's on the W, big giant W right here, so it might break through. So if gold starts going up, the euro more than likely will follow and want to go up. But before gold breaks out, it would be nice if this trade would come down. And if the brother has to, he'd just get out at break even. And so got to figure in order to get to break even, it would probably have to come down to. It would probably has to come down to this other mini lot right here, all the way down to right there, which is come down to 1.759. And right now it's at 1.623, which is basically this one's going to be 10 under the 3. So that's 10 plus 60 pips. So that's 70 pips. Oh, wait, hold on. Down to this one. 75.9, so that's 10 pips, and plus it's 60 pips. So yeah, it would have to come down 70 pips. No, that can't be right. 75.8, 76.2. Yeah, from 75.8, that's basically 20 to 1.76, and then it's at 24. There we are. So it's at 24, 624. This one's at 690. So yeah, that's 10 plus 24. It's 34 pips away from reaching all the way down here, which isn't out of the question to just gradually move down 30 pips all day and just drift down. I mean, that would be wonderful if it did that. And seeing how the pound seems to be drifting down kind of fast, instead of just going slow, it's drifted down quite a bit. It was all the way up to 28.67, and it's down to 28.50, which is a 17 pip drop. That's a decent sized drop. And there's the euro yen. And this is the euro yen. Like I said, it started going up. This one had a big drop and a big retracement. It keeps wanting to go up more and more and more and more and more. So who knows, it might want to just go back up. And if that's the case, then the pound's strong, the yen and the euro is strong. But it's just been creeping up, and this is usually the sign that the bankers, the market makers are drawing everybody in to put their trades at all the break lows, and then they're going to slam it down to knock them all out as a possibility. So how far does this want to go? You know, where's the money at? So one can say the money is right here. Traders got in right here to break the market. Otherwise, the money is up here is where they place their trades. Their stop losses are up here. So it could come all the way up there, which is another 400 pip move. But this could be a stop loss right here because this is a 4-hour chart. They could just be stopping out the 4-hour traders that got in to go long and write it down here. Because it broke right here. You got their stop losses up here. So here it come up to stop them out. They started putting their trades in around 56, or they put their trades in around here. So that would be about at 50 or 40. Hard to tell what that is. And then they put their stop losses up to 50. Yeah, 20 pip stop or whatever the fuck, but that's just on the yen though, so I'm coming back down to it. And going back to the dollar. So it keeps coming down. The dollar, euro dollar, it's wanting to still keep coming down. And the pound dollar, it's wanting to rise. See how the pound dollar is rising, and the Canadian, oh, look, it's going back up. So it could be going up to have a 15-minute double top. But it came down, made a 5-minute lower low, so that's something to consider. Also a lower low on the 15. Now this right here is a Schubert-Elliott wave. 1, 2. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this could go up for a 5, and that would be toward the green line if it wanted to make a 5, which is 10 more pips at the top of that. 10 more pips from the top of this, which would be a drawdown, probably bring the drawdown to around 250. And then I might want to the hope is that it's going to be a failed 5 wave. Or the hope is that the 5 wave already happened, and this is the 5 wave here. 4, 3, 4, and then 5, and then come down. And this would be an A, and this would want to go up and form an ABC, an AB, and then come down for a C wave all the way down here, so hopefully. But it's creeping back up with strength up pretty quick, so that's a lot of strength still going to the upside. But the pound has hit the high of the day with a double top, and that would be the wave 5 here on this 15-minute. It's coming down, so it's not going up with a lot of strength over here, which says that the Canadian is more stronger than the US dollar. And then go to the Canadian US dollar here. If that's the case, US dollar CAD, there it is. CAD is stronger than the dollar right now. So how far does the CAD want to go up? Well, supposedly it's hit the low of the... It bounced back up to the low of the week, which is that purple line. This bar right here is last week's price range. Here's the high of the week is the orange bar. Low of the week is the purple bar right here. You see the purple square down here behind the green square. So gotta get that thing. It's right there. Put it near the price and then go to the 15. Where'd it go? Get rid of it and just put another one on. Back to the 15. So here's the basically the day. Yesterday's green is yesterday's green line is yesterday's high day. Red line is yesterday's low day. It broke above. Here's day 1, day 2, day 3. Put day 5 back over here now. That's going to be tomorrow. So down, down. And then a first red day. This could be considered a first red day. Or first green day here. Right here, because it closed above yet this day's day 2. This is day 2 right there with the arrow. Closed right here with the line. This line going up and down is the daily close. That's Tuesday. And it went down and then it closed above Tuesday's close for a first green day. Although this is only 1 day's worth of going down. This would be more like a green session. But anyway, so it came down, then it went back up, and it popped up above yesterday's green high, right? The green line, yesterday's high, and then it immediately came back down. That was probably the news right there. Immediately it went above, stopped everyone out, got traders, induced traders to go long, but they probably got out because they knew the news was coming. But anyway, traders that didn't get out slammed down. But then it went down below the low. It never hit the lower day yet, though. So it might still want to travel back down to the lower day. But it just hit right here. It just hit the purple, the low of the week. Might bounce back off the low of the week. And we go to the 5 minute. So who knows? It looks like an Elliott wave right there on the 5 minute. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse A wave. A, B, C. So anyway, so back to the pound. Now the pound's coming up a little bit more on this one. See the euro. Euro's weak. Now I can go up here to the euro pound and figure out which one's stronger. And the pound is stronger right now, so that proves it. Pound is going down, down, down. There it is. It came down all day. It came down. Yesterday's first fucking green day right there. After coming down for some days. It's day 4, 3, 2, 1. No, it only came down once and it raised all the way up. Anyway, the pound is stronger, so pound is stronger than the euro. And that's how it's known. So that's why the euro's not going back up with strength. Going back, look, it's going all the way up. Look at that. So anyway, and then the drawdown on the account is back up to, it's up to 178. Looking at the Oanda. Looks like it's back up to in the 50s on the pips. Yep, 53 pips at the most on that bottom trade, this one in the middle. 53 at 78.84 cents. 53.8 pips. So like I said, it might want to go up and hit that high of day right there. So it's sitting at 1.763 and 3.2, and then 10 more pips, it would go up to 4.2. It might want to hit that high of day right there and then start coming down. Here's the dollar again, or the euro, and here's the pound again. Like I said, it's going up, but it's not going up as strong as the pound Canadian. That's because the Canadian is stronger than the dollar. And we know that because we went to the pound Canadian chart right here, the dollar Canadian chart, and it's going up for the Canadian. Because the US dollar is first, so everything, well, actually the dollar is stronger than the CAD. Oh, going up. Wow, the dollar is stronger. The CAD is weaker. That's it. So everything going up because the first letters are USD, the second letter is a CAD. So USD is the first one, so every time it goes up, that's in favor for the dollar, which is a weaker Canadian. So the dollar is stronger than the Canadian right now. So that is a good sign. That's a good sign. So this Canadian right here should phase out eventually. And if the dollar is stronger, that's why. Seeing how the dollar is stronger, that's why this pound dollar here isn't rising as much, because there's more resistance. The dollar is stronger than the CAD, so it's not going up as much. So that's wonderful to know. Now, there it is right there. So. Here and see what the Euro US dollar, the Australian US dollars. Let's turn back around. But it's had a higher high and then another. Hasn't reached the high of day all the way yet. It came down and they had news yesterday in the evening, and it went all the way up. It just shot up. Yesterday's news. Anyway, so going back to the dollar. And the euro. There's the euro again. Euro US dollar is coming down. Pound US dollar is turning. We've got a black bar right now, so Canadian should be coming down. Yep, there it is. It turned also. Got another black bar. So that could be a 15-minute double top, or it could be the wave 5 And see how it's even up there at the top. That would be considered a failed 5. Could be. Because here it went up, a white bar up, black bar down. That's a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And that would be known easily with the Elliott wave thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And change the colors so it stands out. I'll just put it in yellow. Where did that 4 go? Here it is. Where did the 3 go? There's the 3. I'll go back to the 15. All right. Here's 4. Here's 5. Here's wave 3. Here's wave 4. Wave 1. So it could be coming back down for an A wave. And an A wave would probably be, it always goes down past wave 4. So an A wave could come like that, come all the way down there, or if it wants, and then and it could have a B wave back up, and then a C wave, the same height as the A wave, right there. So that would bring it down to there, which is bringing it to the 5 lot one. But sometimes the 5 waves, C waves go a little further. You know, this C wave might want to come down a little further to make it equal. Something like that, and then come down there. It could run like that all day, drift all day and into the night. And so that would be the ABC. A, B, C. Now the thing is that the news has pound news tonight. Retail sales right here. And it's forecast for 0.06. The last retail sales in the red is minus 1.2. So it went forecast at 0.6. So hopefully it'll be in the minus tonight. And so the pound would go down. Anything below, anything in the minus, or if it's forecasted at 0.5, flat, or it could be flat at 0.6, it'd be black. Anything lower than 0.6, but the last one was minus 0.12, so if it did like a minus 1, then that would be bad news for the pound, and the pound would go down. Supposedly, according to tradition, and that's going to be at 2300 hours tonight, which is 11 o'clock, which is basically 12 hours and 20 minutes from now. 12 hours, 22 minutes, because it's 10:38 right now, 20 seconds. But the camera says 10:38, 31 seconds. So, yeah, that's it, 10:38, not 28, 38. Well, 20 minutes till 11. So 38, there's 39 seconds on the watch, 40 seconds on the watch. That's pretty close. It's at 46. This is pretty much close to London, England time, which is Greenwich Mean Time, it's called. So going back to the that's the plan and hope right there. Then of course going back to the pound here it's coming down again, coming down more. So this one would be an ABC on this one. Well, a 1, 2, 2 for 5, and then coming down for an ABC on this one. So I don't want to put too many marks on the charts because these charts only allow so many lines, and then they start erasing other lines. And the brother has all these different currencies here. All these here on this for MT4 platform, and each one has lines already. Well, this one doesn't. Brother took the lines on this one off that one. But see if the US CAD has some lines on it. Nope. Brother took the lines off the US CAD. The yen will have lines on it. So yeah, all these lines right here. These mobile phone apps, charting software, only allow so many lines, and then they start disappearing if you keep adding extra currency lines. So anyway, so back to the pound CAD on this one. Pound CAD chart, and there it is. And this could also be a 5-minute chart, pretty much looks the same way. It's L8 wave right there, ABCD, 1, 2, 2 for 5, ABC. It keeps dropping more. That's good. Just keep those right there and hope for the best. Go back to the dollar. Still want to come down. The euro should be coming down stronger. Yep. That's because, once again, go up here to the euro US dollar, or the euro versus pound, and the pound, which is the second letters to the symbol, EUR GBP, the pound is going down, down, down stronger. So hopefully it'll just keep going down, or going down like that, or it'll probably just stay right there and bottom out for the day. But it might strengthen up throughout the day, though. So okay, euro US dollar. Set that. I like to set the euro US dollar one at the top right there. See, it just comes down, and then the pound is down here at the bottom. So it's easy to go back and forth between the two. Go to the 5-minute. So that's that. Go back to the 15. Go back to the euro. The euro is kind of a different, it's not quite as distinct on the L8 wave pattern. To go to the 5-minute, then it's more distinct on the L8 wave pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC. Now that could be considered an ABC right there already. The top up here is 5. See this right here? this can be considered the 3, 4, 5, and then, or this whole thing could be considered a 4, 5. And now it's made an A because it broke this low right here. A, B, C. And the A wave here, going from top to the bottom, could be considered there to there, and now it's going to have a C wave, so it'll probably go down to that price right there, 1.0967. It's at 1.0971 right now, which is only 4 more pips. But that's just the possibilities. That's a good sign. And see, the brother has a trade on the account right there, and it started going against. That's this Euro trade. This is the MT5 platform. There's the Euro US dollar trade right here at the top. Minus $354. So the brother got into that trade this morning. When the news came out, it slammed down and looked like it was going to continue to go. And the brother was in too much of a fucking hurry, just got in the fucking trade. And, shit happens. So once again, so that's that. And then go back to the pound. There's all the pound trades there. So I just wanted to make another trip back up a little bit there. Go visit the other one. So see that they're correlating right now. So anyway, and then let's open this out. We'll go to the YouTube videos. Here's the Stayberg channel. He always puts his community. Puts his signs up for the morning and all that. Reminds traders and gives them reminding tips and celebration videos and trades that follow trades that pattern the classical charting. And then go to a YouTube video. Look at the top there, Lean Cam. That's the chat girls. Just gotta. I don't answer their got it signs. I just press 3 times, refresh the screen. The got it signs go away. They don't like certain comments and stuff like that. All right, that's just a trader. So bring up another window here.
Is a Wall Street.
Brother's going to go to the YouTube channel. Actually, the YouTube channel is right here on the smart home screen. So here it is. Here's the latest videos that the brother put up. This might be sideways on the thing, but all these ones right here gave the latest all, especially the backyard. Here's a backyard backstage ones, all the backstage, and the singing too. So it all started around here, somewhere around in here. These dates right here, 4 days ago. And all these videos here give the information that aligns up with the Capricorn astrology channels. So, brother's been watching Capricorn. So here's one 5 hours that will probably say everything that happened in the trade going on. New energy is here. What will you do with it? So, and then going to the brothers channel and the playlists. Should be some Capricorn playlist right here. For some reason they're not there. Oh, the brother put them in the. Check the trade here real quick. It's wanting to go up even further. There's the pound one. There's the dollar. That's the MT4 platform, which is the demo account, which is this one with 45,000 in it. 43,000. And then on the home screen, that's MT5 right there, and then the one underneath it is MT4, and that's the live trading account. So it's up to 170, 69.87. The drawdown as it went back up. And the reason why it's going up more on the CAD is because the CAD is less strength. So look at that. It's hitting the top again. Probably have to go to the 30 minute to get more. Yeah, 30 minute to get more. See the green line. See that? It's inducing traders to get in at the top, and then it's going to reverse on them, more than likely. The green line is the top of the day. That's the high of the day from yesterday. And then there's the low of the day from yesterday down here at the red one. You can see there it's popped up, put in a slightly new high right there on the 30 minute. Go back down to you can see there it is right there, a slightly new high. Go to the 1 minute. There it is, it put in a slightly new high. Then going back to the demo account on the pound, it's still down, so. And of course, the euro is going back up a little bit, but it's down further than both of them. Correlated pairs. Go to the 1 minute on there, see how it's gone up in the 1 minute. That's basically could be considered a 5-wave Elliott on the 1 minute, kind of, sort of. On the 5 minute. There it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That can be considered a 5-wave on the Elliott. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then whoosh, A, B, C, or A, B, C for the 30 minute double top, and then come down for the day, supposedly. Oh, that's the pound Aussie. Hold on a second here. Pound dollar. Yeah, it is a pound dollar. Huh? Thought it said Aussie. It is pound dollar. Now back over to the. Oh, there it is. It went up. Went up even more on the 1 minute. So who knows how far it's probably going to reach for that green line. And the drawdown is coming to a higher. It's at 188. Seemed like the brother was at, no. Seems like the brother was at 200, over 200. Let's see here. Seems like the brother had already hit 200. Is that 192? It seemed like. How many pips is this? Is it 67 pips on that middle trade? It's at $2 per pip minus the spread, so $57. So it's popped up. Now that could be the 5 wave right there. Usually the 5th wave is higher than the 4 wave. Little 5 right there. Wave 5. Or wave 5 is normally higher than wave 3, which is over here, wave 3. So that's not out of the norm right there. So if that's wave 5, or if it wants to go up to the green line for wave 5, it could go up there. But it could still just keep going and going and going. But it seems unlikely that it would be going and going and going, because the pairs in correlation with it aren't continuing to go any higher. That would be the euro and the pound. So you could put the 1 minute chart on just to watch it and see how much the 1 minute has gone. So there it is right there. Elliott wave on the 1 minute. That'd be a 1 black bar, 2, 3 black bar, 4, and then 5. Looking at the smaller perspective. But then going down the 5 minute chart where we got something here. This is a 5. This wave right here isn't showing any pattern, any clear pattern. This 5 wave is just a 1, 2, 3, or an ABC. That could be just like an ABC, but all right. So there it popped up a little bit higher now. Going back. So again, there's the 3, the 4, and the 5. Back to the 5. So there it is right there. It's still a 5. It's still under the green line though. But it might want to touch the green line. Go back over here to the pound. This right here is a like I said, this is the 3, 4, 5. This is A. This could be B, and this could be C forming, and this could be 5 waves. There's 5 waves in a C, so this could be a 1, a 2, and then a 3, and then a 4, 5. That it could cause, like the brother said, this would be an A. Here's an C is equal to A. Somewhere in that neighborhood, so still go to the 1 minute charts. It's kind of like got this over here. 1, 2, 3. No, that'd be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. ABC up. So that's not good news. That's not good news on that one, but it is still going up. It's adding more bars here. And this one's already reached the green line now. So it's gone all the way up. So the drawdown's going to be at $201 now. And if the brother, the brother would have to decide whether he wants to cut the trade or not. He's past all the shock and the tiredness with it. You just figure, well, have to cut it, you cut it, and then lesson learned, 1%, get 1%, improve 1% every day. So here it is, sitting at the 1. That fifth wave is stretching out now. And then, of course, we look at the numbers. This is at 60. So it might want to go all the way to 75. Now the brother's got the stop loss set at 175. Seems how it's wanting to go up further. Brother's going to move the stop losses on these things. But first, go to there it is. Get the biggest one first, the one with 2. The stop loss is at 90. And come down here and modify these ones. Stop loss is at 90. See where the stop loss on these the euro's plenty. Don't have to worry about the euro. It's going down. That one's already been changed. It's been changed to 90. That one's at 90. This one needs to be changed. It's at 47. That's 50 pips away for the stop loss, but brother just wants to get that thing out of the way to something comfortable we're at now. Had it at 75. Thought it was, no, yeah, it is. It's at 76. No, it's at 76. Hold on, let's look at the chart. That's the wrong chart. Go to the pound chart. There it is. So it hit 42, yeah. No, my brother put it at 90. That's 50 pips away. Really didn't have to move it, so it's seen on the daily chart. There's that top red line up there. Get the arrow and see there's the price right here. And here's the stop up here, which is at 90. And the price is right here at 0.1764. So to reach 1.769, that's 50 pips away. This one's 1.642, and then all the way 1.7690. That'll be actually 42. 90 minus 42 pips is 48 pips away. So that's gives it plenty of room. Now, go back to the 1 minute chart, and there it hit the green line and the high of the day, and now it's decided it wants to relax now. So that looks like the high of the day that it wanted to hit. So that would be somewhat of a stretched wave 5. Get a bigger chart so I can move this. That's good. Keep the 5 right there. It's not too bad of a wave 5. It looks a little bit longer than usual, but still, it's within. But now it could be moving. Now I can move these here. Here's the top right here. Now rearrange the ABC here. Now that it's a longer C. The A and the C waves are usually around the same length. So this would be, some B's come all the way up too. But, So, so there, that pretty much gets down to that one lot goal right there that the brother was looking at in order for it to break even. Get the account back down to 0. So, like I said, the brother went up to 209. He probably went up to around 215 or 220, pretty close to it. Now, it's wanting to go back up again. Here's the pound dollar again. It went quite up again on another move. Look at that. Still wanting to stretch. So, still feeling strong right there. Go to the 5 minute. Go to the 15 minute. It's at 1.285, 1.2859, and the top of the green line is 1.2867, which is 8 pips. So it might want to go all the way back up to the top and for a B wave. But and then of course going back to the euro. Now the euro strengthening. So it's 11 o'clock in the morning. 12 o'clock is when they go to lunch. Got the neighbor out there calling cats. I hear the neighbor from the open windows here. These windows over here are open. Anyway, so that's that. So, look at that. Just wanted to go up some more. It might even break the high of day and put in a small micro M and want to go higher. Which at that point, the brother would have to tell himself, how high does the brother want to go before fucking cuts the trade. $300 loss. And the brother's maxed out on leverage. He can't add any more to the trade, so. There's the daily chart. Got the little arrow there. There it is. Down. So I'm going to put this down here like this. Down, boy. Down, boy. Or, please go down. Or, go down. Brother wishes and hopes as it goes down. It would be nice if it went all the way down to the take profits that the brother has set. Got take profits set. They can go down to them take profits. And who knows, it might just stay up there all day, and that would be too risky for the fucking pound news. That would be way too risky for the pound news. But never know. It put in another 50 pip move on the pound news. That would be another $200. That wouldn't be good. So the brother's hoping that this trade relaxes, and that's a wave 5, and it will come down and finish the. I'll just get another arrow. Brother used that arrow and it disappeared on the daily charts. So this is probably an hour video. So anyway. There's the pound CAD again. Here's the 1 minute for the pound US dollar. Put in a micro W here. See this pattern here? Came down, done the shape, W shape, so it wants to slam up. But it could be, this right here is a double top, a V double top. Dun, dun, dun. This could be turn into an M. Then it wants to go down. There's one to relax a bit. Back to the 5 minute. Give itself a pull back. And go to the US dollar. This came up quite a bit. Go to the 1 minute chart, and 1 minute chart on this one looks like it wants to form a 5 wave. See this here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, looks like it wants to slam down now. This could still be part of a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 5 wave up if it wants. But it slammed down, so that's kind of a good feeling when it relieves the tension in the body to see that thing wanting to come down more. So that would be the B wave. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, or this could be a B, C in continuation. But it looks like an A. Hopefully it's an A. And B, and then 100% A wave, 100% A wave to a C wave. It could kind of reach down there and break even on that one. Go to the 15-minute chart. And here's the pound CAD in 1 minute. So it's wanting to. So is it going to form a micro M up here at the top of the high of day and then want to continue? Or is it going to, there would be the 5. Bring this up here again. There's a white 5. Oh yeah, that was for the. Oh, that white 5 is for the 5th day. Ah, there it is right there. The hell is that white 5 up there? Huh. Glasses on. Oh, that's just the. Fuck is that? Oh, that's for another Elliott wave thing here. Brother's got another Elliott wave. Don't need these ones on here right now. I can get rid of these ones. That was from a while back. So this change the color to these yellow. See if it changes color. Get it to red. Yeah, there it is. It's a bit dark. Get it to green. There. Now the brother can distinguish. Go back to the 5 minute. Yeah, there. Put it right there. That's good. There. Go back to the 15 minute. That's wave 5, and then go to the 1 minute. Just see what's going on. What's going to go on with wave 5? Yeah. Wave 5, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then A, B, C going down. So a 1 minute Elliott wave. There's the top is wave 5 right there that went just slightly above wave 3, and now going down hopefully for the A, B, C. Anyway, back to the video. And that's that. So could be an update to the video if the brothers sees fit to put an update. Other than that, pull a finger. Brother's tired. Eyes are feeling heavy. Anyway, later. So this is going to be the screen record goes off. Go back to the chart. Look at the drawdown on the account, 210. But the brother has, so two. If he had to have a loss, the brother still has, the equity right now is 2,900. So that's basically account started at 4,000. The brother is having 1/4 drawdown. Money isn't lost; it's just drawdown. That's all it is. So anyway, here's the red bar on the side. Or if the brother wants to go to the picture and slide the target arrow off to the side and then hit the target arrow.